Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to play Arsenal once more. So there's a new update in it. Okay, there's a new update. So let's see. It's called the summer update. See guys, as you can see, it's like two like that. So let's see guys, which one. So guys, today I have my friend also, Jaden D. Chris. Guys, he's in blue, so I think so. Should I? Yeah, I think so. We can do blue. Yeah, guys. I'll just. Okay, blue is locked. Let's see if I. Let's see. We'll just wait for 1 minute. Okay, blue just opened. So, guys, I'm in blue. Let's kill all of them. But, guys, I'm not so good in it as I told you in Arsenal. Okay, I just killed almost. But it's okay. It's okay. Jaden D. Chris has killed 2 people. Oh, who was that? From where did he come? I don't know, guys. Guys, please subscribe. You guys are watching my videos, but you're not subscribing. So I'm telling you, please subscribe, guys. And guys, comment down below that I subscribe and tell me your username, okay? I will give them a yellow orange safe for 5,000. So we have killed a guy. We have killed 2. Okay. Now, okay, he is my friend Jaden. Oh, someone is coming from back. Guys, my pistol is not working. I don't know why. My pistol was not working, guys. How can I kill them? I don't know why. Guys, Jaden D. Chris has reached 9 kills. He's second. Guys, he is nice in it. I don't even know how to play that much. I don't know who is here, guys. I killed this guy easily. So I got Calakio. I don't know which gun is it, but it's okay. We'll just come here up. We'll kill everyone from up. Okay, someone just got big Favil Cruel Gold. That means someone just... Oh! Someone killed me, Naya Kali. But it's okay, we killed at least 4 people. It's fine, guys. We should go up, I think so. No. Okay, I killed the guy. I think, okay, but it's okay. We killed 5 guys. So, I think so. We can stay here. Oh, who was? Oh, it's okay. Who is this lightning? I have to kill him as he's killing me a lot. Guys, okay, it's working. Good. Guys, I killed one more. Jaden D. Chris has got 10 kills, guys. Someone is coming up, I think so. Oh, I was killed by late. I mean, someone just killed already. So let's go, guys. Let's go up. No, guys, let it be. Let's say, guys, I'm not in the top. Let it be. But we will come again in the top. We will. Jaden D. Chris is also in the top, so we will also come, guys. I don't know, guys. I'm not so good in it, so that's why. We'll just take. Guys, I will play Jailbreak also. I will play Tower of Hell also. I will play many games, guys. Okay. No need to take tension that I will play only this game. Why not this game? I will play many games. Okay. So I don't know who is this Nayakali. We have to kill him. Someone is like coming from everywhere. We have to kill him, guys. Guys, Jaden D. Chris is also in the top, but see, guys. Oh, someone just killed me, guys. If you want to know how to reach the golden knife, so you have to get 32 kills, then you can get the golden knife. I will show you. The first one is almost in these 32 kills, so he'll get it. Oh, he was so close. Why isn't my gun working? Okay, now it works. Someone is down. I don't know, guys. Okay, someone just killed me. But it's okay, guys. It's okay. I don't know how to play nicely. I've just started it, that's why. Okay, almost dead. Oh, see guys, the first one reached the 32, so he got the golden knife. Now I think so you will also see the second person will also get it, as he is also 31 kills. Guys, okay, it's okay. See, someone just won it. Guys, someone just won it. So I don't know, guys. So guys, I'll select Tuscan, Standard and FFA. FFA means free for all. Okay. So free for all, 3 people. I wish free for all, but 4 now. 2 teams 5, so I don't think so it will be free for all. Yeah, it's not free for all. So deploy. So let's go. I don't know why can't I deploy. Okay. I'll go in red as my friend is also in the red team. So we'll just go here. Guys, I don't know that my gun is not working properly. It works after time, but it's okay. Now guys, it's working now. I don't know why it's working now. Okay, see guys, when I want it to work, it's not working, but when I don't want, it's working. I need a nice gun, guys. I can't kill people with this DBS. I need some nice guns. First I need to kill the guy. Then, oh, my friend just got killed. Oh, I only left. Oh, okay, I got killed. But it's okay. Okay, I'm here. I can easily kill them, but it's a bit hard. Okay, I killed a guy, so I got a big... Oh, who was that? Who was that? I don't even know. Dragon Lansax. Okay. Oh, where did he come from again? Okay, he's there. Let's kill him, guys. Come. Oh, now lucky boy every day. Who is he? Don't know, guys. I'm not so good in it. Sorry, guys. But I will try to be very good. So, don't know. He is Jaden Decrease, my friend, as I told you. He's here. Okay, someone is here. You have to go from back. Okay. I need a nice gun. I can't kill everyone from this origami gun, as it's not nice gun. Oh, see, I told you guys. See guys, I told you. I need a nice gun, guys. I need a nice gun. I need that AK-74. Guys, you would be thinking, why did I tell AK-74? In this game, you don't get AK-47, you get AK-74. So that's why. I can get nice guns, please, guys. Oh, I got minigun, but it's not nice. Oh, see, it doesn't work also. See, it doesn't work also nicely, but it's okay. I don't know why. Let's see. Okay, now it's working properly. See, I killed someone. Oh, I got auto bow. I didn't even know how to use it, but we can try at least. Okay. No. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's totally normal. Okay. I think, so guys, this would be my last round. Then we can go and play Tower of Hell. Guys, this guy is in the... Okay. I don't even know how does it work. It's not even working. But how did it go? I don't even know, guys. How does it work? I'm not in the top also. Guys, it's working. I don't even know. This Shiki just got 32 kills, but that's why he is... Oh, guys, I don't know why it's happening like that. See, guys, it's working now. I'm not even doing it. It's working like... See, I don't even have now. See, Tiny Donald got. Okay guys, that's all for today. The Shiki199 is the winner of this game. So bye guys, have fun. We'll play something else now. Bye.